Yo, what's up everyone? My name is Andrew Warren, and in today's video, we have some more positive news recently released about Tesla stock that we'll be discussing. So, of course, as always, if you do enjoy the Tesla videos and especially the news videos, please make sure to smash that like button. It really does help me out. So, with today's video, we have two separate news pieces. One of them is actually really interesting because it involves Tesla and India. And anytime you have the topic of those two subjects combined, then it definitely leads to an interesting conversation because that is one of those untapped markets right now. So that is just regarding one of the news pieces for today. So we have multiple news pieces to discuss. And with all of this being said, let's go ahead and check out the current share price for Tesla stock. It is currently September 21st, Monday, late at night. So we have battery day tomorrow. A lot of excitement going on about this. And so we had a plus 1.64% gain for today. That's plus $7.24 added on to the share price. And then for the after hours, we are currently at minus 5.87%. That's minus $26.38 off of the share price, leaving us at $423.01 per Tesla share right now. I don't know about you all, but I personally took advantage of this sale price today, and of course, just simply dollar cost averaged as well. So I spent about $6,000 today. That's a lot of money saved up, and also just from a paycheck as well. So I am currently buying Tesla stock personally. I'm excited for battery day tomorrow. I think a lot of big pieces of information are going to be announced. Some of it may go over the heads of the general investing audience, but the people that are truly paying attention tomorrow to the information that's being revealed, I think we're actually going to get some really important insight for those that are actually paying attention and looking far into the future. And so that insight tomorrow is kind of similar to the insight that we get with these news videos, where if I'm talking about a new factory or a new facility at a new location or just job listings or something like that, we get some potential insight for the future of the company and how we could possibly see it grow in the future. And that relates hand in hand with the Tesla stock price as well, in the sense that if Tesla is scaling their business, they're increasing their production, they're creating more facilities, adding newer efficiencies, having more job listings, then that is likely going to lead to more revenue for Tesla, more improvements for Tesla, and also just simply more progress with this company and its growth story. So that does certainly relate to the stock price. So with all of this being said, let's go ahead and check out the first news piece of today's video, which is all about a research and development center possibly in India. So let's go ahead and check out this article by Electric, and then I'll expand on it a little bit more. So as you can see, this is an article by Electric and author Frederick Lambert. So of course, as always, we greatly appreciate the information. If it wasn't for websites like this and authors like this, then we wouldn't be able to have easy access to Tesla information as fans and investors. So much appreciated. And so this article is titled, Tesla is in talks to build R&D center in India, according to a report. And so just based off of this title alone, I just want to emphasize the fact that I love this idea because I'm a big fan of research and development. That's really how, as a company, you can get a huge advantage over the rest of the market or just your competitors, because when you spend money on research and development to innovate or improve a product, whether it's about the batteries or another aspect of Tesla's business, then it gives them a competitive edge because they've put a lot of money into researching to improve these products compared to the competition, which may not be spending that much money on research and development and may have inferior products because of that. And so we know that with research and development, this has been one of the huge aspects of successful companies in which they're able to produce revolutionary products. So I'm personally a big fan of spending money on research and development. I think that's a wise use of their money if they want to maintain this competitive edge over their competition. And I think it's been a big reason for Tesla's success so far as well. And so just to show you a pretty interesting chart right here, we have this chart from Statista in which the chart is titled Tesla's Research and Development Expenses from fiscal year 2010 to fiscal year 2019. So just take a look at the increase on expenditure with Tesla and research and development over the past couple of years. And so this is costs in millions of US dollars. So we have over 1,000 million US dollars. That's like $1.343 billion in 2019. and then even more than that in 2018. So Tesla is continuing to increase its spending on research and development. And so like I said, this is absolutely huge. And just getting back into this article, I think this would be a big benefit to Tesla, as I've said previously. And then it also just gives Tesla a foothold in India, in which they could possibly expand onto this R&D center in the future. If they purchase a big plot of land, they can start out with an R&D center and then later on expand into a factory that's connected to that. So definitely some big possibilities with this, but let's go ahead and get into the key information of this article. Obviously, I want to let you all read it for yourself as well, so I just want to highlight a key point of this article. So according to this article, it says, last year, Tesla was rumored to be showing interest in a battery factory project in India, and it states, now a new report came out stating that Tesla held talks with the Karnataka government in India to establish a research center via India Times. In a direct quote states, Tesla held exploratory discussions with Karnataka government officials on September 10th who were seeking a possible investment by the world's most valuable car maker in a research facility in Bengaluru, people familiar with the development told ET. A follow-up meeting is expected later this month, they said, during which the state officials are expected to present a detailed proposal to the Tesla executives. And so this article does note that Bengaluru is a big industry center in India with already several automakers there. And so I'll leave it at that with that article. Definitely feel free to read the rest of that for yourself, but that's basically just the key point. We have some rumors around a possible Tesla research and development center in India, which I think could be pretty huge. Like I've said, I'm a big fan of research and development. I know it can be costly, but sometimes it really does pay off in creating a revolutionary product that is advantaged compared to competitors. So I'm actually pretty excited about that, and I love to see Tesla expanding in so many different aspects, not just creating more gigafactories and adding more gigapresses to each gigafactory, and then also expanding the production lines at the Nevada gigafactory for the batteries. And so they're doing many things right now. We have the Roadrunner project, and so they're also diversifying themselves a little bit more with this research and development edition as well, I think. And so like I said, this would be a huge asset to Tesla. However, I would honestly love to see a combination between a gigafactory in India and a research and development center, just a combination of those two just on one plot of land. I feel like that would be ideal. At this point, I feel like that would just be a smart move if they're already going to buy a plot of land for the research and development facility. So I thought that information was pretty interesting, and it definitely gets me thinking. So I just wanted to share that with you all. And then also, let's go ahead and check out the second news piece for today, which is all about the Q2 exports, in which Tesla actually dominated the market. And so this is an article by Teslarati and author Joey Klinder. So of course, once again, we greatly appreciate this information and what you all do to provide Tesla fans and investors knowledge about the company. And so this article is titled, Tesla Dominated Q2 U.S. Automotive Exports According to Data. And so like I said, I want you all to have a chance to read these articles for yourself. So I'm going to just highlight some key points from this. And so it states, data is showing that Tesla held a considerable share of the U.S. automotive exports during the second quarter of 2020, with 35.4% of the total car exports during the 3-month span coming from the electric automaker. And so according to Kevin Rook of Zap EVs, it states that the United States automotive market exported 68,900 vehicles in Q2, and that Tesla took up 24,407 of those exported vehicles, which made up that 35.4% number. So that's basically the key point of the article right there, with Tesla taking up a significant share of the exports for the United States in Q2 of 2020. And so this once again just reiterates that point that Tesla is dominating in a market where the rest of the automakers are seemingly struggling at this point. Tesla has actually advanced its growth story during this whole Rona situation, whereas other companies have begun to struggle even more, with dealerships and lots being closed down, and with them having to cover costs that are associated with this whole Rona situation. situation. So with a touchless delivery with Tesla and all of these other aspects that are pretty much Rona-proof already, they kind of future-proofed it in that aspect, then Tesla really had an advantage. And then they also just simply have this advantage in battery, software, autonomy, and things like that as well that play in hand along with their business model of deliveries and simple buying transactions and things like that. So this is just once again reiterating the progress within Tesla's growth story right now and how successful they've been able to be in a market where the majority of automakers are struggling. So anyways, I just wanted to share some of these news pieces with you all today. Please make sure to smash that like button if you enjoyed the video, and also feel free to check out Robinhood and Webull in the description below. If you sign up with my referral link, you'll get some free stocks, and especially with Webull right now, you can get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400. And to get that, all you have to do is sign up with my referral link and deposit $100 into your account. Keep in mind, you can withdraw that $100 right back out after you get your free stocks. So it's basically just nice passive income with minimal effort, free money, free stocks. Just want to let you all know about that. But hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week.